Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Time. I'm Paul, and today we are going to talk about the present continuous tense.
Hello, friends. I'm Emily. Yes, the present continuous is very useful in English. We use it when we talk about actions that are happening right now or around now.
Exactly. For example, right now I can say, I am talking to you. That is present continuous.
And I can say, I am sitting in front of the microphone. That is also present continuous.
So, how do we make the present continuous? It's easy. We use the verb to be plus the main verb with ing.
Right. For example, I am eating. You are reading. She is cooking. They are studying.
Yes. Am, are, or is, plus the verb with ing. That's the rule.
Let's give more examples from daily life. Paul, what are you doing right now?
I am drinking water. And what about you, Emily?
I am smiling because this podcast is fun.
Ha ha! Nice. See, both sentences are present continuous.
Yes. And listeners, you can try it too. Look around you and describe what you are doing now.
Maybe you're listening to this podcast. Maybe you are sitting on a chair. Maybe you are cooking.
That's right, the present. Continuous is perfect for describing the present moment.
But we also use it to talk about actions happening around now, not only in this exact second.
For example, I am learning English these days. Maybe I am not learning right now in this second, but it's true around now.
Exactly. Another example. She is studying a lot this week.
Good one. Now let's show how to make questions as the present continuous.
Easy. We change the order of to be and the subject. For example, are you listening to me?
Or, is he working today?
Yes, and remember to use the verb with ing after that.
So, are they playing football? Or is she watching TV?
Perfect. And what about negative sentences?
For negatives, we use not after the verb to be. For example, I am not sleeping.
Or he is not watching TV.
We can also use contractions. I'm not sleeping. He isn't watching TV. They aren't studying.
Yes, very common in daily conversations.
Let's practice with some quick sentences. Paul, give me an example.
Sure, I am reading a book.
I am not reading a book.
Are you reading a book?
No, I'm not. Haha. See how easy it is?
Yes. And now another one. He is playing the guitar.
He isn't playing the guitar.
Is he playing the guitar?
Yes, he is. Very good.
Listeners, you can do the same at home. Take a sentence, make it positive, negative, and then a question.
That's a very good exercise.
Now let's give examples with different subjects. I am working on my computer.
You are learning English.
She is cooking dinner.
He is playing a game.
It is raining outside.
We are talking now.
They are watching a movie.
Perfect. Those are simple and useful sentences.
Yes, and you can use them every day to practice.
I want to explain something important. Some verbs are not usually used in the present continuous.
Oh yes, good point. For example, verbs like know, like, love, believe. We usually use them in the simple present, not the present continuous.
Exactly. We say, I know the answer, not I am knowing the answer.
Or I like pizza, not I am liking pizza.
Right. So remember, some verbs are special and stay in the simple present.
Great tip. Now let's connect this to real life. Emily, what are you doing this week?
This week, I am visiting my parents, and you, Paul?
I am preparing lessons for my students.
That's nice. So, you see, the present continuous is very useful when we talk about plans around now.
Exactly. And now I have a fun question. Emily, what are you not doing right now?
I am not sleeping. And you, Paul?
I am not running a marathon.
That's true.
Listeners, you can try too. Say what you are not doing right now. It's a funny way to practice.
Yes, and remember, practice makes perfect.
Absolutely. So, friends, today we talked about the present continuous. We use it for actions happening now or around now.
We also learned how to make questions and negatives, and some important verbs that we don't use in this tense.
That's right. Now it's your turn. Write in the comments what you are doing right now using the present continuous.
Yes, and we will read your answers.
Thank you for listening to English Listening Time.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy English practice.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.